Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking out, everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, blow. Back to reality, oh, there goes gravity, oh, there goes rabbit. He chokes, he's so mad, but he won't give up that easy, no. He won't have it, he knows his whole back's to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope, he knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant, he knows when he goes back to his mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This whole rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to numb, it's your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to numb, it's your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. His soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom is close to postmortem. Only grows harder, only grows harder. He blows us all over, these hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the globetrotter. Lonely rose, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father, he goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more, he's gone broader. They moved on to the next flow of flows. He knows gold and so nada. So the soap opera is told and unfolds. I suppose it's all partner, but the beat goes on. Da-da-dum-da-dum-da. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to numb, it's your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to numb, it's your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. No more games, I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this motherfucking rooftop like two dogs cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage.